Over your blasted hand, no man. Sure. Sure. She make people cuss it up. Like, see you here? See me here?
Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. What's going on, Wagwan? So into today's video, Obi decided to join me and we'll be trying we will be trying some new fruits we never tried before, and they're Asian fruits. So we went to the Asian supermarket to get some of these fruit that we never tried before, some of the names that we never heard before, and we decided we're gonna get them and try them out, taste them and see how they taste. So we do have the receipt here to go off to tell you guys the name of some of the fruits, and Obi's gonna do that.
Okay, so the first fruit we have is dragon fruit. That's this guy.
Yeah, we have to look up the picture too as well.
This guy, it's called a dragon fruit.
Don't know why, no, because it's not like dragon.
It looked probably a dragon egg.
Maybe because.
Anywho, the second one we have is longan. This thing.
You sure it's like longan?
This right here. This looks like it. I think it reminds me of Jamaican Guinea.
Yeah.
And then what else we have? We have the Xiaomi Hammy Melon. That's this one here.
Kind of looks like cantaloupe.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like cantaloupe.
It definitely the same look.
I think it's cantaloupe, but let's see if it tastes different.
And then we have mangosteen. That's this here.
When I heard about mangosteen, I thought it would literally look like mango, but it looks nothing like mango.
I'm not sure if you guys can actually.
Kind of look like star apple in a way.
It does look like a star apple.
Yeah, or pangan.
And then we have the Kirin fruit. The Kirin fruit is this.
You sure?
Yes, it's a Kirin fruit.
If we're not sure, guys, we're gonna put the picture in the video so you can see what the fruit.
Yes.
Yeah, just in case.
Kirin fruit.
And what's next?
And then the last one we have star fruit.
Star fruit. So this is all the star fruit. Looks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're done with this.
This is so hard. Are you gonna use?
Which one we're gonna try first?
Let's try the dragon fruit. Let's go in order as you call it.
Okay, dragon fruit.
We're gonna try the dragon fruit first.
Yeah.
So it's pink and green.
Yeah. It's pink, yeah.
You have to get the
here.
garbage. Alright, me peel this. You peel the other one.
You're going to peel it. Why not just yeah, just cut it in half.
Either move this one side so they can see.
Just like that, yeah. Cut it in half.
It's very soft. Ooh.
Show the camera.
Okay, so this is how it looks on the inside, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, take this for. It just smell like a green plant.
That's how it smells.
It doesn't smell
like a plant. It doesn't smell like a fruit.
Yeah, it doesn't smell fruity.
It doesn't really have a smell.
It just smell like a green plant.
No, I'm afraid to eat it because we don't know if. You know what we should have probably used for this?
A spoon. No, just cut it straight down. Cut it straight down.
It's probably a spoon. Probably would be better to eat it.
Cut this side.
So you're supposed to just eat the seeding like that?
Probably. Or maybe we can just eat it like this. Just bite into it like that. But it definitely smells just like a green plant. It doesn't smell fruity.
It just smells like regular house plant.
Oh, what you just did?
You kind of peel it because it was coming apart. I don't know if I say eat it or you cut it out.
Like this?
Probably cut it out.
So maybe you guys actually cut it or something. I'm not sure.
Alright, we're going to taste it together. Are you going to take it out? Don't take it out completely.
Okay.
Got me. We're going to taste it together.
My one did wrong. Okay, go first.
We're going to taste it together.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Seriously.
Okay. Can you give me that slimy taste when I just bite into it? You sure it doesn't spoil?
It don't look spoiled, Shana.
It doesn't really have a taste. Like it's not sweet.
It's not sweet.
The seed kind of chewy because I bite on some of the seed kind of chewy. It barely have a sweetish taste.
Barely.
But it's kind of slimy.
Slippery.
Yeah, slippery.
You know what? Kind of dig it. It's not sweet. It's not
sour.
It's not sour. It doesn't have flavor as for fruit. But
I don't know. I have no idea what to. I cannot think of something that tastes similar to this to describe it. But it tastes good, but it just don't really have.
What would you give this? Pass or like?
I probably like it. I like it, but to eat it like I would eat mango.
Maybe this is even not really a sweet one.
I would give it maybe a 5. It don't really have any taste to me. Like if you're supposed to put that into smoothie, you have to put a drop of strawberry on it because it doesn't have any taste.
4.
Okay, let's move on.
Yes, long gone. Which
long
is this?
Gone sound like Logan.
Which is this guy right here.
Logan Wolverine.
Yeah.
Put it over here.
No, because
I guess most of these they don't really need any fat then.
Okay, you get one, me get one.
Okay, so this is all the long gone looks.
Yeah.
It kind of have definitely feel like guinea, you know. Like the shell on the outside have a hardish feel.
Definitely.
Or if you squeeze it, it have that
squishy feeling.
But
Alright. Okay, so
it doesn't have any smell.
The outside does smell like a little fruit, Shana.
Maybe I'm a lotion may smell from it, but it doesn't have any smell. I cut it?
Yes.
Why? It's like guinea.
I don't know how the skin tastes.
May I bite it there?
It
doesn't have any taste. See, I told you it's like guinea, just like how the inside look. It even have a seed into it.
So this is it. Not sure if you guys can actually make it out properly.
You probably zoom in on it. So
yeah, maybe we'll zoom in, but
yeah, that's how it look. It kind of looks.
Guinea. Our guinea is the inside is like this bright orange colorish, like.
Yeah.
And it has a huge seed.
What? Taste it before. It's sweet.
Okay, let me taste.
It's sweet. It not taste like guinea. It's sweet. So what seed into it too? You see they're big like ackee seed.
Have an ackee looking seed.
Yeah. It's sweet, but why, like, how would you say, like, why would I describe it to? The sweetness.
Lychee or lychee.
I don't remember if I eat lychee before.
Never had lychee? I've had lychee before. I need one more.
You know, the only thing I could say that it reminds me of other cantaloupe or something sweet like that.
Oh, why you get 2 and me get 1?
Well, it tastes good. It's not so juicy like guinea, or you know, hard to come off of the seed like guinea.
Yeah.
That one here don't look good. That one look like it spoiled.
I don't know.
I'll try it. And
this eat good.
Oh Jesus! Stop.
This definitely eat good.
Yeah, I like that one. Yeah.
This eat good. Like you can actually take the bag and just sit down while watching a movie or something and just continue going through this.
Yeah,
this eat really good.
Yeah, I like long gone.
This is a 10.
That's a 10?
This is a 10.
I'll probably give it a 9 because I don't know if it's supposed to even look like this inside. I'll probably give it a 9.
Xiaomi, this one, Xiaomi Hami Melon.
Okay, that one is going to be hard. You have to cut it on your own because
so it's
you have
this one. I like how they wrap it.
Yes, it looks nice.
This is how they wrap it.
Lots of wastage still. But
yeah, but it does.
It
does make you want to buy it.
Yeah, it does. It makes it kind of look different from the regular cantaloupe. I just believe that it's cantaloupe. This not look like cantaloupe, people.
It definitely look like cantaloupe.
Look like cantaloupe. Maybe it's sweeter.
Is it cantaloupe or honeydew?
No, honeydew. What is
honeydew is the green one?
Yeah, cantaloupe is this one.
Okay.
I would think that they would call the orange one honeydew because it's more like honey. Probably a little bit easier to cook out. Kind of look better than this one.
It smells like what, honeydew?
Cantaloupe? I don't remember how cantaloupe smell at the moment.
Alright, so we're gonna...
It's been a long while. How it feel cutting into it?
It feel the same way.
How honeydew? It's the same. And it's not even so orange like the top. That's why they say don't trust the label, you know. It's the same thing.
It's deceiving.
Because it's even small. Some of them small, you can get them small. And some of
no, you need the... I guess you can use the fork still. I want to say I put it. Small thing. Let's cut two. Let's put it on.
So this is how it look. What's this called again?
Xiaomi Honey Melon.
Xiaomi honey.
Hami.
Hami. Oh, I thought it was honey.
No, Hami. Hami. H-A-M-I. Hami Melon.
Hami Melon.
Here it is, guys.
Okay, let's try.
Cheers.
Cheers. Ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna count.
Too late. This is sweet.
I cantaloupe. Nobody can't tell me I cantaloupe. I cantaloupe this. But it's sweet.
It's sweeter than cantaloupe, Shana.
Yeah, it is. We just take a bite in the middle. It definitely is.
And it's crunchy.
You like what? Refreshing. Was it on fridge?
It keeps
cool. Yeah.
But this is good.
I like it.
10. Definitely 10.
I do.
10.
I like it is 9.55. I joke, I 10.
This is 10.
Okay, man. This one tastes real good. Like, how far down you supposed to eat?
I don't know.
You know what them say with watermelon, you're not supposed to eat all the way down? Alright, no, I think this is just too deep.
That's like goat.
Alright, I finish now.
Alright, guys, so next on the list is mangosteen.
Yes.
So it's
so much you may buy it,
this guy. Yeah, I didn't know how many I should buy.
You don't know how them taste.
That's true. I never know if it tastes good.
You gotta buy like 2.
Yeah, I don't know if it tastes good or not. But listen, if it tastes good, I wanted to make sure that I had a few left over. But
if it doesn't,
if it tastes awful, then you and Leo can eat.
No.
And James can eat. Well, anyway, this is the mangosteen right here. It looks similar to a star apple.
And it feel and kind of look like panganate.
And it kind of looks like a panganate.
Or what?
Palmernate.
We're in Jamaica, we call it panganate.
In Jamaica, we say pomegranate. But yeah, this does look like a star apple. It's very hard. It has no fruit smell.
Pretty much all of these don't really have any fruit smell.
No fruit smell at all. So
yeah, just think about it now. The cantaloupe never really have a fruit smell until you open it.
Yeah, that's true.
Dragon fruit definitely did not.
Dragon fruit just a green plant. Alright, so I'm gonna cut in it. Should I cut this off?
Try. Take time, mind go slip on.
Should I peel it?
Probably.
How do you do this, people? Do you peel peel it or just cut it straight through?
What you should do is like open a little piece of it and see if look how you go cut it something.
Oh, right here cracked. Right here cracked.
I didn't ever see it before.
Oh.
It looks like chocolate on the inside.
It does look like chocolate. Like chocolate.
Hold on,
pods. What
does it smell like? Smell like it's a smell that I smelled something like that before, you know.
It's not a fruit smell. This is the husk. what do you call this? The husk, yeah. I almost actually cut it in half.
Yeah, that's having they tell you to cut a little piece and open it.
Yeah.
So how are you supposed to eat this now?
I have no idea.
Is there seed in it?
Yeah, keep doing that and then put it on the plate.
Oh, it's soft. It remind this part, the white part will remind me of sauce.
This just smells like a green plant too as well. It doesn't have any fruit smell, guys. This does not have a fruit smell.
Yeah, take it.
Can I have the fork? Thank you.
I don't know what I want to.
Why?
I don't know what I want to talk.
It doesn't have a fruit smell. It doesn't. This is how it looks. It looks like there's a seed in it.
Yeah, try to get off one of the things.
One of the pods.
Like in the middle there.
It doesn't have a sweet smell or anything.
Why are we waiting for eating?
Alright, let's go and eat it. Ready? 1. You ready? Come down. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. What it is? May I taste mine here? It tastes good? It has seed in it?
Taste it.
Alright.
Because when me see right here, I say it reminds me of mandarin. Right at the inner part. Wait, it doesn't have a seed. It maybe say and every mandarin has seed. That one you seems like it has a seed in it. There's something tough. Like right at this part. But it has a sour taste like orange. You would expect this from this. I think a sweet mega taste. I say sweet, but I think I just sweet just like the Logan. Langan.
Well guys, it tastes good.
It tastes good, but the softy.
Yeah.
I'm going to rate it.
How much you would rate this?
Probably 7. It tastes good. We never expect it to taste like this. You think that it would be like straight on sweet, but it can go on.
Probably a 7 too, guys. But it does taste good.
Like once you put it in your mouth and you start to feel that softy. Like you know when bread wet.
Why is this green?
I don't know, because green? It was inside here, man.
So why is it green?
I don't know, maybe it go bad. We don't even know when these things go bad in a bowl. But yeah, that's what it tastes like to me. Like when bread wet, when it just go in. Like the texture.
I never had wet bread.
You know?
Wet bread.
Oh, yeah, eat bread, man. You never dip the bread in the tea or something, man.
Oh, like that. It actually tastes good.
It tastes good. It's
just a 7. Just a 7, guys.
Just a 7. What's next?
Kirin fruit. The Kirin fruit is this.
Kind of look like dragon fruit.
You know what this kind of looks like? The fruit from cactus.
I've been just there thinking about it. I didn't remember the name.
It looks exactly like a cactus fruit.
Who knows, baby? It is.
Alright, where's the knife? Right, so this is the Kirin. Gonna give this a try.
Give the Kirin a try.
Get out of here!
It's just like the dragon fruit, but the seeds are bigger.
Nothing.
Just like, yeah.
No smell, guys.
But the dragon fruit smell more
green
plant. Yeah.
It's actually like the same thing. This has bigger black seeds. This has a lot smaller black seeds. This has less seed. This has a lot more seeds. It looks exactly the same.
It looks exactly the same to me. That's why I tell them. When I take it up, I say it look like they're probably cousins. So the seed, I wonder if the seed ought to eat with this one.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna open it the same way.
Why you open both? You're gonna put everything in your mouth?
I did the same mistake with the first one. Anyway.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
This is way sweeter than that one. This is way sweeter.
The seeds pop. The seeds are big, but they're not hard. They just pop when you try to chew them.
So it doesn't really have any smell.
No smell.
But it's just sweet. It's sweet.
This is way better.
Like if you look for something that have flavor, this not have flavor.
This
it's just sweet.
The dragon fruit.
And this is soft.
Maybe we got a not so sweet one that is not sweet. I don't know if this actually gets sweet or not. But this doesn't taste.
And the seed
really good.
The seed chewing on the seed tastes.
It pops.
Yeah, it's same way. This one just softer and sweeter.
This one, guys, is the winner.
I'll probably give it a 9.
That's super sweet.
Yeah, I'll probably give it a 9. The reason why is because you don't really have the fruity way I look for. Just like how we would have mango pineapple. And give off that fruity smell or flavor to it.
So let me understand this. You're giving it 1 less mark because it doesn't have the fruit smell.
Well, not to say that it's a bad thing, but that's just my preference.
I would definitely say this one here, the Kirin fruit, 10. It does not have a fruit smell, yes, but the taste is what really matters.
Come, let's move on. Which one next?
Okay, the final one is star fruit, which is this guy right here.
I was about to say star apple. A long time ago, star apple.
Smell it.
No, this is what I'm talking about. This is just
like a green
fruit like
smell.
Plum.
Plum, yes, plum.
Yes. Good. Okay, yeah.
It does smell good.
Alright, let's get into it. I wonder if it's sweet or it's sour, because most of these things will look like this kind of sour.
You know where this comes from?
Off of the tree?
Yes, it comes after the tree, but it comes from Fruit Ninja. Is it Fruit Ninja? On the cell phone.
Oh, that long time you know, you cut the fruits and stuff. Oh, there was a bunch of fruits on that.
Fruit Ninja. No, this is Fruit Ninja.
Let me smell it. How you put it?
Yeah.
Really? Yeah, that doesn't smell good. That smells stainy.
Yeah, it's
like there's a lot of stain or something.
You know when something doesn't smell ripe?
Yeah, like
wait.
Force ripe.
Smell it now.
Can I go a little bit? Okay, cut it.
Here, you get the bigger piece.
Why? Suppose it not taste good. Kind of just smell kind of green to me now. On the outside, it smell way better. Yeah, cut up yours.
Yeah. Do you want yours cut?
No, I'm good.
Okay, so here it is.
Into it.
Ready? Cheers.
Okay.
It is juicy.
It's juicy.
It's very juicy. Does get a little bit of bitter taste from it, a little bit. A little bit of sweetness.
Yeah, and a little bit of sourness on the outside because of the skin.
Yes.
Not a lot.
Yeah, I guess the skin does add the sourness, or some people would say the tanginess. But yeah, it does eat good.
And even though it kind of just smell like a stainy, not taste stainy. It just, to me, it feels like it's not ripe enough. But then again, it's like, it's fleshy.
Yeah, it is fleshy, meaty, and juicy, guys. What's this again?
Some kind of star or something.
Star fruit. The ninja game, ninja fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Star fruit.
But it does eat good, guys. I would say this is a 8, maybe because it's not fully ripened. So I would say this is an 8. The sweetness is there. The sourness is quite good for it. The juice, it's there, very juicy. But I would say an 8. What about you?
I would say 8.5.
Why 8.5?
Yeah, I really like it. You probably can even put some salt on it.
Salt would probably do.
Yeah, just like remind me of Joe Plum.
Okay, everyone. So that's it. That is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you all like the video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video around, and you guys can also subscribe for more video to come. Thank you all for watching, and we will see you in our next video.
Later. We're gone.